Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Good morning, everybody. If you're new here, I play with cars, woodworking, Jeeps, and we got a little project today. I'm filming straight into the sun here, so we'll see how it goes. I got a box. I've been talking to people on the forums and I'm a little concerned about that maybe running away on me again like it did before. So I've got an on and off switch. Got two of them actually. Comes with lugs. I don't know if they're the right size or not, but we're going to find out. And I think I'm going to put this right down here. Or maybe on this side. I don't know. Depends on how much cable we've got. Alright, well that didn't go to plan. Let's see if it works. This has been giving me grief. Well now. If anybody knows what's wrong with my winch, let me know. Lovely. So that's going to come off. Anybody know? Disengaged. Disengage. Am I reading it wrong? Yep, disengaged. Engaged. Well, it's been doing weird things, but it's never done that before. If you know what's wrong with it, let me know. We might be taking this apart. So in contrast, here's my trailer. The sawmill's on it right now. This is my other winch. This is a little bit newer. Let's see if this behaves the same way. Okay. In. Out. Should put this inside anyway. using it to move logs up and down, flip them over and all that. It does get dirty. So as you can see, this winch works. I don't know what is going on with that other one, but I don't like it. Not happy. If you know what's going on with the other one, let me know. This one is solar powered. It just sits out here and charges itself every day. No point in putting a switch on a broken winch, so it is what it is. If you know what's wrong, this has been replaced. So this is all brand new. It's got a gearbox, motor, I don't know. If you do, throw it in the comments, let me know. Appreciate the help. These things are expensive, so I'm not in a position just to go out and buy another one. It is frustrating. Spool rope onto drum. Yeah. I wasn't doing it backwards. I didn't think I was. That is disappointing. But I think we'll recover. Next up, more Model T videos maybe. More Jeep videos if you want. You tell me.